The feral.
So this is
area.
for our feral.
There's somebody at the door, look.
Yes.
Who's that? Oh, look at that face.
Little one down here. So we're just slowly going because they are ferals.
Yeah.
And they are very, very skittish.
He's gone.
It helps if I...
Oh, wow, look. Beautiful. So everybody's going now.
So here we have got two
Lovely, aren't they? Hello. Hello,
compartments.
Sweetie. Okay. So they can move around a bit if they want to. Come out of this cat
they can
flap.
come out that one and then they can come into this
outside to the pen.
one.
Hello, sweetie. I know. Have a hiss. Have a hiss at me.
Like it. Right, and outside here we go out. We'll just poke our head round. They've got an outside bit.
That's all closed in.
It's closed in, but again they can get the sunshine, and it's much because they're used to living outside.
Oops. Yep.
And there's a tree that they can sit in. That's actually coming
an actual
out.
tree.
An actual tree
Growing.
that they
fabulous.
can sit on.
Oh, that's nice. Bit of climbing.
So they're used to living outside, feral cats.
Yeah, so they're
You can
kind
see
of
all of them are not friendly.
semi-autonomous.
Yeah, they're all
Right. Excellent. And they're protected and nice and safe. Oh, hello. You're keeping an eye on me. Okay, I'll go.
That's it, yeah. They're not keen on humans.
No. So these are the cats that might be happy on a farm or
These
in
cats
stables
go to really good homes in stables, in small farms, in nurseries. We've also